Child. What's up, guys? It's your girl Tiff, and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to show you guys my everyday, on the go, on my way to work makeup routine. Since I've been a mom, I no longer have the time in the mornings to really do my face extensively. Like, I used to wear eyeshadow, all that jazz to work. Ain't nobody got that time at 6 in the morning. So I wanted to show you guys the look that I do every day when I go to work, because unfortunately these bags tell no lies. So I do not go to work looking like this. No, can't. Once we get our skin back in order, maybe, but right now, no. So for you mamas, or for you just on the go working professionals who want to do your makeup but don't have a lot of time, I'm going to show you the routine that I do. Literally takes me 10 to 15 minutes. And I know for some of you that still might be too long, but this is what I do. I'm not going to speed up this video at all. I want you guys to see the full routine, including brows. Yes, so once I can find all my brushes, we're going to get started. So if you want to see how I do my makeup for work in the morning in a rush, then stay tuned. Ooh. I don't know. This might be half talk through, half voice over. It all depends on when that heating unit comes back on, because I don't like talking when that is like on. But anyway, I do my brows every morning. Depending on how much time I have, depends on which technique I use. Meaning brow powder, pomade, or pencil. But for the most part, I do use my Anastasia pomade. I'm in the color chocolate, and that is enough talking because I need to concentrate on these brows. I do prime my face, and I forgot to do this because I typically prime my face before I even start my brows, just so that it can already be sitting in the skin. My foundation that I'm using is the NARS All Day Luminous foundation. I'm in the color New Guinea. I just take like, oh shit. Let's see. Let's see if we can get our face together with this foundation, because I think I'm about to have to re-up. Okay. Woo. So I'm using the Morphe E6 powder brush to blend in my foundation. And y'all, like, this is literally what I do every single morning. Like, I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to show y'all. And we're going back in with that concealer, which is the Too Faced Born This Way Mocha. And I'm taking my Sephora. I love this brush. I don't remember which one it is, but it's one of the brushes. I will try to have it listed. And I'm going to blend in that concealer. And I'm gonna just bring it up to my eye to kind of mute that out. I'm doing a bit of like pressing and like swiping, but more like pressing than anything. I take my same foundation brush and blend out the ends just so it's not harsh. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with the Sacha Buttercup and I'm gonna press it. I'll just press it. I'm going to take my MAC pressed powder. This is in the color dark. And I kind of go between this and deep dark. It just depends on which one I grab. But because this is one that I just realized that I had, I'm going to use this. Going in with my Anastasia kit. I mix these two together. So in the mornings, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't do all the cream contour, none of that. Everything, I don't have the time. Like, I legit don't have the time. I don't really wear blush a lot at work anymore either. I'm gonna sweep off any little powder that's still there, any setting powder. I don't really wear blush anymore either, but I will wear me some highlight. And I just take one of my blending brushes, still using my contour kit, and I take this shade here, these two together, and I just buff that on my eyelid. And if I want a little bit of dimension, a little bit of color, I'll go in with the middle one. Just one that I use to contour. And I'm not even really going on my lid. I'm going more in the crease. I'm going to use a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I do not wear lashes to work. I don't have the time. I start work at 7:30, guys. 7:30 in the morning. So I'm out the door by like 7:10. Like, I only live like 20 minutes away, but I'm up at 6. So no, ain't no lashes, yo. Ain't no lashes, yo. And then I will do the bottom just because I don't like my face. It's like, it looks, I don't know the word I'm looking for, but I feel like a little bit of mascara on the bottom kind of makes my face look a little bit more open. Because no, I'm not doing eyeliner. I ain't doing none of that. Like, this is the raw Tiff at 6:30 in the morning. And for lip gloss, I'm using Max Boy Vape. I am a lip gloss wearer at work. Even though I have like a ton of lipstick, I don't really wear those to work. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. This is what I wear every day when I'm going to work. Nothing big, nothing special, but I can't go to work how y'all just saw me. Not with these bags, not with these acne scars. They're healing. They're healing, but they're still there. But this is the look that I do. Like I said, I didn't speed this up really because I want you guys to see like she's not playing. Like, it does not take me 20-30 minutes to do my makeup for work. This is like super simple. All this is like foundation, little highlight, little contour, but you know, just the basics. So if you guys have the time to do this in the morning, go for it. But this is my look. This is how your girl walks into the office, and this is how she sashays to her office. Boom, making it look like I wasn't just up 3 times throughout the night feeding my baby or changing his diaper. I didn't just have insomnia last night with 1,000 things on my mind. I look like I had a full 10 hours of sleep, and we all know that is a bold-faced lie. So I hope you guys like this look. If you did, you already know what to do. Like and subscribe. And if you want to see more looks like this, then make sure you put that in the comment section below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.